Guys, it's been a minute since our last video. We have really, truly finished demo. I know we've been saying that it's the last of demo, but we did some few more things and decided to replace our furnace and AC and remove some more drywall, a wet bar that's no longer there in the background. So anyway, we're done with demo and we're about to start putting everything back together finally. So we're going to be putting drywall on, but before we get going on that, I want to show you kind of where we're at. Okay, so this is the wet bar area. We took that out and are going to replace it. So I don't know if you can see the chalk line, but we're going to have a sink there, cabinets that come all the way here. The countertop, these were the old countertops. Fireplace, so we're going to drywall this area. We have to drywall anywhere they cut the windows out, so this area will be drywalled. We're going to patch all the ceilings. Here's our furnace and AC. The light bulb is burnt out, so but this is all new, which is nice. They brought it all up to code, and our water heater, the exhaust pipe was not to code, and they replaced that as well for us, so that was really nice. But yeah, it's really nice. And here we had a metal vent that came kind of diagonal, and our plan is to have a barn door here that slides, so we needed that moved. And then the air return was slid over so that the barn door can hang out right there and then slide over. Another thing that we did was we removed all the flooring, the vinyl flooring that was in the storage room, and we also took down all the shelves. So that's what's left in here. And we're going to be putting new shelves in here along the walls, just like it was, but they're going to be nice and updated, and also we can customize the height of the shelves to whatever we need. This will kind of be the pantry area for whoever rents. And it's going to have the same floor as the kitchen in here. Here's the kitchen. We got our drywall ready to go. All the insulation's in, ready for drywall. Let's see, what else? Yeah, so just a couple areas to patch in here. Bedrooms. Okay, bedrooms are going to be carpet still. That's the plan. Drywall around the windows. We got them all. We put these furring strips here so that we can put our casing around and nail into stuff, and also for the drywall to have something to hang on to. Closets, we took all the closet doors off that we were thinking about maybe just painting them, but we decided to take them off. We're going to get nice doors that match. Same with all the bedrooms. All the doors down here actually are going to be replaced. Other bedroom, same thing going on here. Carpet, closet doors, drywall. We will get a new light fixture, and after we drywall, we're going to texture. I don't know if you can see this, but this is the texture. That's kind of going to go on the walls. It's just going to be a little more subtle compared to what it is on the ceiling. Bathroom. We don't have a light on in here. Let me see if I can turn on my phone light. Yeah, you can't see anything, but our vanity is on the way, which is going to go right here. So this area will be all drywalled, a nice fixture, drywalled up here. This is going to be the shower. So this is all plumbed and ready to go. So we're going to tile this. New toilet is going to be replaced. Same thing here, window, all cased out. Drywall repair, light switch, and fan. Probably disorienting. Alright, so hey, that's about it. Yeah. So doors, this door gonna be replaced. Kind of maybe similar to the rest of the doors down here, but this is gonna be like the front entry for the basement apartment. And then the stairs are going to be replaced. Or we're going to take the carpet off the stairs and then put like a vinyl floor that matches or something. We're not sure yet, but and we're gonna replace the stair rail.